Water. Without it we cannot live. Water forms a fundamental part of our lives as it moves and flows through the landscape. As a community, we have a shared interest in the water quality of our region, and in particular the condition of our drinking water. This is harvested locally in group water schemes by pumping water up from an aquifer through the limestone shale. In the Templeport and Ballyconnell area, the water flows from the surrounding land as the Blackwater. It flows into the Woodford River, also known as the Grania. Until it reaches its destination, the River Erne. The groundwater is recharged regularly by runoff from precipitation, which percolates slowly into the aquifer. We enjoy many sports and amenities along the watercourse, and the wider community benefits from the tourism this brings. Protecting our bogs is one of the ways in which we can take action to help to maintain water quality. The huge water holding capabilities of bogs helps to slow the flow downstream, reducing flash flooding events.
A bog is a staggering 98% water. The rain falling on the surface of the bog is the only source of water stored in a raised bog. West Cavan Bogs Association is documenting the biodiversity on local bogs. Because bog water is acidic, clean and very low in nutrients, a unique community of plants and creatures are found living in these watery landscapes.
The humble sphagnum moss are the bog builders. Sphagnum holds a lot of water and is the dominant plant of a healthy wet bog. The remains of these plants build up in the deoxygenated conditions as peat. This peat, if waterlogged, is a large store of carbon.
A colourful variety of mosses live on the wet surface, creating the acid environment.
Sphagnum astini form prominent mounds. Sphagnum capillifolium's magnificent, bright red patches in the bog are reminiscent of Persian rugs. Plants such as sedges, bog cottons and lichens are adapted to this poor nutrient environment. Sundews are plants which supplement their nutrient needs by devouring insects caught on their sticky leaves. Bog pools provide essential habitats for young stages of many species of dragonfly. Emerging in the late summer, black darter and common hawker dragonflies are to be seen hunting over the bog. The insect larvae of midges and craneflies develop in the wet conditions, in their turn providing food for specialist birds such as snipe. In the spring, the male snipe can be heard drumming over the bog.